Took a trip to HomeGoods to see what they had in new, and yes, that orange is because the air quality outside was crazy the other day, but it gets better inside. They still have a lot of outdoor patio sets, outdoor furniture that you can grab. Some is on sale, some is not on sale. So you'll be able to find some on clearance, and I'm sure as time goes on, it'll get even lower, but you can see they are still packed, or at least my Home Goods was, with a lot of outdoor furniture sets. They had outdoor dining sets, they had outdoor like seating sets, like sofa sets, single chairs, just a ton of different things. This one right here was pretty, 1850, just a ton of it. They had it all packed, and I've never really seen outside packed so much with so many pieces. A lot of these we have saw before. So it's just like I said, some are going to be on clearance and some are not. This one is a really large piece, and I like the color of this one. This comes in other colors too. So based on what home good you go to at what time is based on what you might see. These little like moss pieces I think are cute. So this little like mushroom like one here, it didn't have a price on it, but I'm assuming it's around close to the price of the orb, and the orb was like $15. This I thought was interesting. I can't tell if it's supposed to be a dragon or some type of lizard. I don't know what it is exactly, but it was on sale for $2.49. So that was like an interesting piece if you're looking for something big to put outdoors. This little like plant holder thing here, $50. I thought that was pretty. They usually have it like in that gray kind of color, but that was like a pinkish. These planters, nice, simple, gives you like a modern look. $80, not bad at all because it is a really big planter. They still have some patriotic items that you can grab at Home Goods. So they have a lot of different pieces from decor to outdoor parties. These placemats I thought were really pretty. It has like a little tassel, like a palm tassel around the edge of it, and that set was $15 for the four. They have tablecloths. They have cute little mugs, just a ton of different things. The mugs $8 for those. This decor, this would be something good for Christmas too, like that, just a shape. Based on your Christmas colors, you might be able to carry that over. This little, what do you call that, cornhole bags is heavy too. But it has all little bags. You can play the little game and carry it around, $15. I don't really look at the food at Home Goods that much, but I thought these drink mixes were interesting today because they have those all the time, but I don't recall seeing these. And we went to the outlet, and the candy store at the outlet had bottles like these for 20 something plus. So at $8, I thought these were great because they had a bigger variety than the candy store had. And like I said, they were only $8, and you can add different liquors to those. And of course, you can get all the drink cups and different things like that at Home Goods too. This picnic basket I thought was cute, $35. It has like a little pretty rainbow, and then it's like the little cute picnic basket shape. Thought that was cute. They have a lot of like sets you can put together. So the drink coolers, like the tub, you can put this right here, like a caddy for your utensils and stuff, $10. This little bottle holder right here, so all that will go together cute. These little glass decor pieces I thought were cute, $15. They came different ones, different colors, but they look cute together too as a little collection. And then this vase, I just thought it was a nice shape. They have a lot of nice colored glass at Home Goods, and this one's only $20, and it was a big size. Plates, so if you like to do place settings and stuff, you know Home Goods has a lot of, but these are giving me like that elegant type look, and you can really leave these out all year. So they have, the different plates, different sizes, starting at like $3.99 for the smaller plates. Some of them are going to be bigger based on the design, the print, but yeah, you could be able to put together a nice play setting. These are cute too. I thought they were cute because they had two little handles on it. A little small mug, $8 for that. And then those, like, what are these, like espresso glasses? I thought those were cute. This for like an anniversary, I thought that was nice. So it has 25th anniversary on it, and it was $40. They have a lot of cute little things, like you could set up a whole little like tea setting, different things like that. They have the cups. You could put little desserts on the tray, just something, cute. And a lot of those cups would go with that tray too. They have the little container like for your creamer, different things like that. $10 for that one right there. A little butter dish right here. Another little pretty one for the season. $7 for that. This one right here, this one is nice. The print is bold. I think that would go again, like that's something for all year. So $13 for that. And it has like just a slight little gold detail to it. I thought that was pretty. So yeah, if you want to do a cute little table setting, might want to grab that. This basket I thought was cute. Like the shape of it, it was large too. So you could fit you a few pillows in there, some blankets. $40. Gray, nice and neutral. It has different weaving in it. I love a good basket. This right here, so you can take your and store it. Like the cups are inside. So those are cups inside, and then it's a pitcher that you would use. So that one had glitter cups. This one has like these pretty blue cups, and then like the pitcher matches it. I was trying to figure out if this was pickleball, because you know everybody playing pickleball, but it's not. It's just like a regular little paddleball set, but it was cute. These right here, the little like rattan woven things, so you can get that, and then you can get this right here. This would be good for like produce and stuff in your kitchen. It has like the three baskets in it. I thought that was nice for $50. So yeah, I thought that one was cute. These baskets I think are cute too. So if you could see, they have different handles. So they're going to be different prices based on the size. But then you see, okay, that one was like $10 and that one was like a bigger one. But then this one is like $10. But the handles are different. So based on which one you're getting with the different handles. But those would be cute. They still have some nice furniture clearance left too. We saw most of these before. This one right here, okay, so it said $199 right there, right? And then it says $119 right there. So I think they're just continuing to keep marking them down, but they're not changing the take off the old ones and putting on the new ones. So just check at your HomeGoods to see what the actual price is. It might be lower than you think it is. So like I said, we saw most of this clearance furniture and stuff before. Some of these we didn't see. This right here marking the $25, but I think it's missing the lamp, but like the lamp shade that goes over it. But it's like a nice cut piece. I have gotten clearance and stuff from HomeGoods before, like my lamps and stuff like that. One of them was missing a shade. I just took a shade off another one and put it on there. But yeah, you can get a few different pieces. This little marble coffee table I thought was nice and simple. $150 for that one right there. This a nice colored piece, so it brings like a little pop. You can use that like a coffee table or an ottoman. Just put a little tray on it. This one right here has the storage underneath. Nice neutral color. I thought that one was nice and a nice size for that one right there. So yeah, just a ton of nice furniture pieces in right now, at least at my HomeGoods that I did see. This one was, you can see it says 36 inches. So this bench right here I thought was cute too. Oh, and that ottoman was $250. This right here was cute too. The other bench I didn't see a price on. These I thought were together, but they're not together. So it's $179 for the big one right there, and then the smaller one, the tag was hidden. It was like, I think it was in the back, but that one's going to be less. Of course, they have some cute dining set chairs. So I love when they have enough for actual sets. So they have 4. So $180 for these. I thought those were nice. And then I love a good slip cover anything. So these were nice and neutral, and they were $150 for those, and they had 4 of those too. These, they had like some artwork on sale. I thought this was nice because it just played with a lot of different textures, and that was marked under $39. This one was marked under $10. I don't know if you saw those before, but those are cute still too. This, loved it. When I saw it, I was like, I can't wait to get around to like look at it. It looks like antique. It looks like it's from another country. It is huge. It was huge and massive. Loved it. So if you're looking for like a statement mirror that just says something, this I loved. And $800, I don't think that is bad at all for the details in that. These we saw before, but I just like this little set, little pop of greenery. And that one was $40 for each one, not for the set, each one. These stools, I'm not sure if we saw these before, but I like these. I like neutral pieces because they can go with a lot of different spaces. So these are $200 for these, and they said they 26 inches for those. This little stool too I thought was cute. $50 for that. You can see it has like the little carving and stuff up top. I thought that was super nice. So yeah, this chair, Another one that I thought was nice, 350 for this one right here. And again, I like the lines, the curves. It has like that modern look. It looked like it should have reclined. Just the way the lines were in it, I thought it was gonna recline, but it didn't. This chair, like the cut and the lines of that, and again, just in another nice neutral color. $500 for that one right there. This is another outdoor set. Like I said, my home goods still has a ton. I don't know if they over ordered all of these patio sets, or people just weren't buying this year. I don't know, because they have so many left. But that one is pretty with the weaving with the on the chairs and stuff. 2,000 for that, and you get all those pieces. This one right here, a nice outdoor dining set, 1,700, and again you get all of those chairs with that. This all these pieces are nice, but the bench in the back gave me like a something you would see at Disney. Something, loved it. This right here, nice, something that you can put like if you have a large bedroom or something, or just like a nice seating area. $700 for that, and again, nice neutral look to it. And then that bench just has such pretty details. It is just so nice. I don't know, I don't have a space in my home for that, but if you have a space for that and you just have like that, it looks antique. It looks so cute. I just loved all the details in that. And that one is $1,000 for that one right there. Then this lamp right here. Okay, so it gives like that gold look. It is gold, but it has like a detail in it in each one of the little orbs, bowls right there. I just thought that was pretty. And then this is it in black, and it just gives, it's like the same look but just a whole different look. The shade is a different color. The black is more matte. The gold is more shiny. I think I like the black one more because I think that would fit in with a lot of different spaces, but both are really cute. And then this stool right here, I wish they had more of these, but they only had that one, or at least I only saw that one. That one was 150 for that, and that's just like I said, another nice neutral piece because I love a neutral piece. This right here, I think this would make like a cute console table, or if you have a big enough kitchen, like a drink station or something like that. $200. The only thing, when I see those pieces like that, I wonder, is it intentional distressing, or has it been just worn? Like, you don't never know. This right here I just thought was interesting. It kind of has like that resin look to it, with the blue and stuff. So $50 for that. This right here, another nice like console type table, and you can see that's like kind of like that marble look up top with the black, and then it has the little curves. The little black knobs on it, just really nice. This little chair right here, $400. I thought that was nice, just bold, and the pops of color in that. I like that one. So yeah, all these like different, but they all are nicely on space. These, every time I see these, it just reminds me of when Restoration Hardware used to, I think they still carry these, but they used to put these in every like room. Like when they would do the design rooms and stuff like that, you would always see this style lamp, and so that one is 160. You can see a ton of like outdoor chairs and stuff still stacked up over there. It is only June and we still have months and months left of summer, but usually it goes quick. This chair, loved the print, love the way this looks. $600, and I think it comes with the ottoman, so you get the both the pieces on that right there. If you're looking, these games, we saw these I don't know if it was last time or the time before, but yeah, they still have a lot of little outdoor games. So these, you'll have the little board. The other one was like just the little pieces and stuff, and it's $40 for this. These two pieces, all right, so this I love. I just wish it was taller. It just seems like an odd height for me, but it's like you could use it like a little bench. But I just wish it was a little taller. It was 150 for that. Ton of little storage underneath there, so you can use it as like a shoe rack or something. This table, I love the legs on it. Nice big size, $300. That's not bad at all. I think the top is that brown right there. I was trying to get underneath to see, but I think the top is just that brown right there. This lamp, love the details in that. You could see it's like kind of like a carving, so it has that wood carving look, nice neutral shade, and then the same detail on the top there. This just a bright pop of color. $80 for this. You can use it as a side table, as a stool, and it kind of reminded me of the material of those little bracelets you used to make when you were in school. and you put them on. Then they have them in others, like other styles and colors. That one $80. This one just another interesting little piece right here. I think it's a candle holder, so you'll put like little tea light candles in there. $20 for that right there. These I thought were cute. So it's like a little bird. I don't have a yard or anything, but I just be thinking these pieces are cute. So $70 for that one right there. These kind of give me like that Asian inspired vibe. They didn't have a price on these planters, but I love the way they look because they look distressed. They look just really pretty. The colors are pretty. These are going with a lot of different outdoor spaces. Kind of gives you that zen look. You can make like a whole little thing with all of these pieces right here. This one right here, $80. And then they have this big old bird right here. The details on this gorgeous. It looks like it's been weathered, just really pretty. I've never seen nothing like this in anybody's yard, but you would probably need a big yard for something like this, but just so pretty. And then what you do is when that little ball moves, this is 250. When that little ball moves, which I found out when I was with the price, the wings flap. So that is just so interesting. I didn't push it too hard because I didn't want to knock over everything. But yeah, you might want to head over to HomeGoods and check out and see what yours has in right now.